nze na ọzọ gbacha uhie.
It was a colorful celebration of culture, tradition, and unity as the ancient kingdom of Igbo Ukwu in Agwata local government area of Anambra State played host to dignitaries from all walks of life, alongside illustrious sons and daughters of the community during the annual Olili Ede Mbughu festival held at the National Yam House, Etiti Village, Igbo Ukwu. The event featured the traditional breaking of kola nuts, addressed by the traditional ruler of the community, presented by the President General of Igbo Ukwu, Barrister M.C.K. Oba. Then the sacred Olili Ede Mbughu rites, performed by one of the custodians of the community's cultural heritage on behalf of the traditional ruler.
This one is good.
Igbo Ukwu is a holy ground, like Mecca and Jerusalem. Whoever comes here has come to the source of the Igbos and cannot go back empty-handed. This town is built by our great ancestor Igbo and has since become the melting pot of Igbo race culture and tourism. The civilization of Igbo dates back to the ages and was at its apogee in the 9th century AD. Therefore, we are calling on all Igbos and indeed Nigerians to go back to our roots, which is industriousness, enterprise, hard work, and good citizenship.
According to the organizers, the Olili Ede Mbughu festival serves as a spiritual point of contact with the ancestors and marks the commencement of a new farming season. They noted that the festival symbolizes thanksgiving, resourcefulness, and preparation for a season of abundance, while preserving and promoting the rich cultural heritage and age-long traditions of the Igbo Ukwu people.
Olili the festival is a time that signifies we are entering into famine, into scarcity. Yam festival announces plenty, but before you have plenty, you will have a time of scarcity. So Olili Ede is a festival announcing the time of scarcity, time of famine. After this festival, nobody is allowed in Igbo land to go before any deity with yam. You cannot even go for Thanksgiving with yam. You have to wait until when the new yam comes, because all the yam are now under the ground. So yam has been fully cultivated.
Goodwill messages were delivered by individuals, community groups, as well as representatives of government ministries, departments, and agencies. The Speaker of Anambra State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Somtochukwu Udeze, alongside other lawmakers, attended the festival in solidarity and also inspected the National Yam House.
Today's stand today is to give my voice to the Yam House, which is located in the land of Igbo Ukwu, by extension Anambra. We just passed a resolution of the House that the Yam House in Igbo Ukwu should be celebrated as a new yam festival that will be celebrated annually in the state. And we believe that my visit today with my members for us to see, reassess, and also make it a place that in Anambra will be visited as a tourist center. Also, the cultural heritage which this town, Igbo Ukwu, exhibits is something that we believe that the Anambra should cherish. So I make a name the Igbo Ukwu, most especially the people created their time to seek for the approval of this town to be hosting the annual New Yam Festival. And also, as in Igbo, Rumana Menane, Anambra Igbo. What are you doing, Igbo? Anambra Igbo. Oh, Igbo in here. Or one may put us a Bible, you have Igbo. And there were a lot of tourist centers, tourist communities in Anambra. There were a lot. It could be the oldest community, and well, Olibu. 980 or whatever. Whatever. Even the other night, I took a look on Buraba and Ibu where percent also. So now now it should be something which we cherish. And taking this opportunity also to encourage our youth. As now we get to see Megan Ochelibia, the only way we can transfer our cultural heritage with the young ones now, let them also create time. But when you talk about innovations, we also have to create innovations when it comes to our cultural heritage.
I present this open message by the Executive Director, Co-Chief Executive Officer of National Root Crop Research Institute, Omodike, Professor Chelonge Ngozegesi. At this year's Olili Ede Mbughu Festival of Igbo Ukwu, on behalf of Professor Gesi, the management and staff of National Root Crop Research Institute, I convey our warm greetings and profound appreciation for the invitation to participate in this unique cultural celebration and recognizes and promotes one of the most important indigenous food crops in our community. The Olili Ede Mbughu Festival is not just a celebration of harvest and abundance, but also a reflection of deep cultural, social, and economic significance of taro and cocoyam in Igbo land. For generations, taro and cocoyam has occupied a special place in the traditional clothing ceremonies and identity of people of Igbo Ukwu, and indeed many communities across Anambra State and the Southeast region.
This remarkable festival stands as a vibrant celebration of the rich history, cultural identity, values, and enduring tradition of the Igbo people. It is a powerful reminder that culture remains one of our greatest assets as a nation serving as a bridge between generations while fostering unity, pride, and social cohesion. The Nigeria Tourism Development Authority recognizes cultural festival as a strategic platform for preserving heritage, promoting community development, stimulating local economies.
Guests were treated to an array of traditional delicacies and local beverages reflecting the hospitality and rich cultural heritage of the community. The festival reached its climax with colorful displays by various masquerades, including the famous Ajohia masquerade from Nnewi, and several other thrilling spectacles, and adding excitement to the celebration.
Mbughu is a great town. And it's good in culture. So we're celebrating to show the world what we are and what we can do.
Olili Ede ụmụ nwanyị na-eweta ede ha kọtara ndị nọ na-eri, so oge ahụ oge ụgani.
No, I have not heard of that before, but I met the coordinator being Chief Okafuzo Ugochukwu. So actually, he explained to me in details, telling me what it is all about. That since they are entering an organic period, which is a scarcity of food also, let them be taking cocoyam, then before we get to the harvesting of yam. So I now understand that he now promised that the thing will now be continuous yearly. So we accept something like that because culture we keep learning every day.
Abanyogo gane. Ewe me emume dị etu a. Ka ọ ga-abụ ọzọ a ga-eme emume ọzọ n'ememe niile ga-akwụrụzi wee ruo mgbe ji ọfụ ga-apụta. Ewe mekwazie New Yam Festival. Iji gosi na ihe adịgokwa na ji adịgo ihe ndị ọzọ esori epụta. Ihe akụlakụ ndị ọzọ esori epụta. Ọ ịmak mbido ụgani maka na akọnyesigo ihe niile na anị.
Ọ tọrọ m ezigbo ụtọ, obi bụ nsa egwu ka m na-agba sef. Enwere m ezigbo ọṅụ.
Just witnessing it for the first time. Well, I think it's good. It's okay. We hope to see it in the near future.
Ana m agwakwa ụmụ okorobịa kwa ụmụ agbọghọbịa kwa na omenala abụrụ ife alụ. Omenala abụrụ ife alụ na omenala wu ntọna na ọdịnala ndị. Ọ bụrụ ọsọ ji maka ọtụtụ ndị na-eche na ọsọ ji iwu ife a na-emelu a na-erikwa ede. Omenala amaka. Omenala abụghị igbu oke ite. Omenala abụrụ egwu ọgwụ. Omenala abụghị ije bute mmụọ nke a bute mmụọ nke a. Na-achọrọ ịnụ nwaanyị ahọrọ mmadụ na-atọ na-akpuo n'ime palọ kwuo okwu ime ego omenala nwaanyị apụta gbara egwu enye mmanya o buru ya gbara egwu mee nganga omenala ka ọwụ
Nduka, otu 3 ọdụ